on.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can see, the Escort's finally come back, so I'm going to show you a couple of videos of what's been done. There's a lot of welding been done over the last couple of months. It has been away for a very long time, but now it's finally back home and we can do the work that we want to now to get it up and ready on the road. There is the deadline for the car, which is my wedding, so I'm going to put as much effort in as I can to try and get it ready for then. So yeah, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel, keep up to date with what we've got on. There's a lot of stuff that needed to be done. As you can see, it's a bare shell. There's not one bolt on the car at the minute, so there's a lot of work still to do. Yeah, so thank you very much everybody, and I'll show you what we've been up to with the welding. So then, I'm going to show you what welding's been done on the car while it's not been here. As you can see from this, we've had a new wing rail. We've had new structural strengthening plates been done. And then coming this way, as you can see, it's had a new kick panel. And then we've had the new floor here, all underneath. There's a 90-degree welding put there. I will put in some pictures of how it was looking when the welder was cutting it away. It's had new sills, so new sill, inner and outer. Floor pan for a third of the floor on this side. It's had a new seat rail. And then up here we've had the patch, which is underneath where the heater box sits. That was quite bad, so we've managed to just plate it rather than cut it all the way and refit. So it doesn't show quite well on there, but it's just at the point where I'm pointing now. So keep coming this way towards the back end of the car. We've had the new floor section up to here, and then it's been cut. So new sills, which have been explained, and then we've had the new under inner arch that's been plated. So there's quite a bit there. Obviously there's some little bits here that just need grinding away and just touching up. So moving into the back of the car, we've had a new lip been made. Now that panel was quite expensive to buy, so we got away with just plating it. And then not only plating it, it's just been strengthened a bit as well. You can see the welds on both tubs at the back. So there's them, and then this side. Then moving on to the passenger side, which was the worst. I have got some photos of that, come with me. I am going to post these photos of it up so you can see the progress that the welder had. So as you can see, there's quite a few plates been put under here just to redo all under here nice. Because there, actually, I'll put a video clip of that. That came apart with cardboard, holding it together. Good old cardboard and fiberglass. So this side again, it's got new sills, inner and outer. But then this side had a complete floor pan for the passenger side. As you can see, new floor pan, new seat rail, floor pan for the front, a new kick panel up here, and then again the wing rail and the strut top mount on this side. I am yet still to do the front panel because obviously you can't do it while it's on the spit. So I'm going to finish off doing what's needed to be done on this, get the underneath of the car painted, and then we'll move on to taking it off the spit and getting the front panel on, as well as the front splitter and the various other parts of the car. So for now, that's all I've got to show you, but here's a couple of clips and some couple of photos of how the shell was looking through the stage of the welding from various photos I've had off the welders that have done the work on it. At this point, I'd like to say a massive thank you to Dulham for doing the welding on the car. Great job. And also to Gethin Jones, who started the welding but unfortunately was just a bit too busy to take on the rest of the job, which is completely fine. I understood his reasons and there's no fallout, we're good friends. So thank you all. Keep watching, I'll show you the videos of what it did look like, and I'll be back at the end to say a couple of words. And your nice rear arch. So that brings us to the end of the video. Now obviously, Merry Christmas to everybody, and I hope everybody did have a nice New Year. I haven't uploaded in quite a while, so I thought I'd just get that out at the end of this video. Thank you everybody for the continued support on the channel. It really does make me happy that it's growing and growing and growing, and hopefully I can grow more this year. I do have a lot of plans and ideas of what I want to do and get done this year. I'm heading out to see a couple of road rally cars to get some videos of them. I'm going to be going to a couple of rallies. There's a couple of guys said that I can come and film their cars. So there's plenty of opportunities for me to get content this year, which is great. So this is the first of the new batch of videos of the car, especially now it's back. This is the whole putting it back together and getting it ready for the deadline. So thank you all for watching. If you haven't yet, please do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to keep notified whenever I do an upload. I'm going to hopefully get a video out every 2 weeks. Hopefully. Obviously life does get in the way sometimes, so I will try and get weekly, if not every other week. Other than that, I've got a lot planned, so please do keep up to date, and thank you everybody for the support. So from me and my escort, take care, see you all soon, and see you in the next video.